Ever pondered about the future of construction careers? Will the future construction sites still require manpower, or will they be run by robots? Construction is a pillar of our society, and technology might just revolutionize it. Stay tuned as we delve into the top trends in construction careers for 2023 and beyond. Welcome back. It's time to explore the top trends that are shaping the future of construction careers. First on our list is the rise of construction technology, also known as Contech. This trend is revolutionizing the industry, making it more efficient and innovative. Next is the increased use of sustainable materials. As environmental awareness grows, the construction industry is pivoting towards eco-friendly practices, making green building a hot topic for 2023. Another significant trend is the growing demand for skilled labor. With the complexity of modern construction projects, highly trained professionals are more valuable than ever. Moving on, we see a shift towards remote project management. The ability to oversee projects from afar is becoming a vital skill in our increasingly digital world. Finally, we have the rise of AI and automation. These technologies are not only increasing productivity, but also transforming the roles within the construction industry. As you can see, these trends are not only changing the way we build, but also the skills required in the construction industry. In the quick span of 2 minutes, we've traveled into the future of construction careers. We've seen how the field is rapidly evolving, with technology trends like augmented reality, 3D printing, and artificial intelligence playing significant roles. These advancements are not only redefining how we build, but also what it means to have a career in construction. The traditional image of a construction worker is being replaced by a new generation of tech-savvy professionals ready to embrace the future. The key takeaway is clear: adapting and growing with these changes is not an option. It's a necessity for anyone interested in this field. The future of construction careers is exciting and full of opportunities, so, are you ready to build your future in this dynamic industry?